How to view your transaction history on LBank Exchange app. If you'd like to view your transaction history on the LBank Exchange app, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. Now all you have to do for this is launch the LBank application, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now what you have to do is to find all of your transaction history of crypto or fiat or whatever else it is. It's quite simple. From the very bottom right, you can see this option that says assets. And simply navigate to assets. Once you navigate to assets, these are the options that you'll find. Now at the top you can see the option that says history, so you want to simply go to this little history option, and at the bottom you can see different type of history. So you can find your spot history, which is for deposit, withdrawal and transfer history. You can find your futures history, and you can find your earn history. So depending upon whichever history it is that you want to find, you can select that, tap on futures history or tap on the earn history button. That's all it takes for you to view your transactions or history on LBank Exchange app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.